In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Conversation View in Outlook. Conversation View keeps related emails together so you can follow a thread without scrolling through scattered messages. It's great for staying organized and quickly seeing the latest replies in context. Start by opening Outlook and going to your inbox, or any mail folder where you want to work. At the top of the window, click the View tab. In the Messages group, look for the option called Show as Conversations. When you check this box, Outlook will group emails that belong to the same thread. If you decide it's not for you, you can uncheck the same box to turn it off at any time. After you choose to turn it on or off, Outlook will ask whether you want to apply that choice to this folder or to all mailboxes. Pick this folder if you only want to change the current folder you're looking at. Pick all mailboxes if you want the setting to apply everywhere across your accounts and folders. This is helpful if you want a consistent view without having to repeat the change in each folder. Once Conversation View is on, you'll see a small triangular icon next to grouped emails. Click that triangle to expand the conversation and reveal all messages within the thread. Click it again to collapse the thread and keep your list tidy. Expanding makes it easy to see the flow of the conversation, who replied to whom and when, without opening each message in a separate window. If you prefer a cleaner list, keep conversations collapsed and only expand the ones you need. When a new message arrives in a conversation, that conversation automatically moves to the top of your list so you won't miss it. You'll notice the subject line appears in bold, and you'll see an unread count that tells you how many new messages are in that thread. That bold text is your cue that there's something new waiting inside the conversation. Open the thread, and you can jump straight to the latest reply while still seeing the earlier messages for context. If you want to switch back to individual messages later, return to the View tab, uncheck Show as Conversations, and choose whether to apply the change to just this folder or all mailboxes. You can toggle this as often as you like to match how you prefer to work. That's all it. Thanks for watching.